Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if Google Chrome extensions are not syncing. So if your Google Chrome extensions are not syncing, then in this video I have found about 4 ways in order to fix this. So let's immediately get started with fix number 1, and that's going to be really easy. Just head over to your Google Chrome just like this, then go to the top right corner of your screen at those 3 little dots. What you do is click on settings right here, and then you want to click on you and Google right here, and you want to make sure that syncing is actually enabled. So in order to do this, make sure to click on sync and Google services and just make sure that this is set on. So if it says turned off, it means it's on, and if you want to enable it, just click on turn on and you are good to go. Now what you can do is also click right here, and you want to make sure that it says sync everything, and you want to make sure that basically extensions is also checked, but as long as it says sync everything, you are good to go. Now what you can do is simply restart basically Google Chrome to see if it's now working. If it's still not working, then there might be an issue with your cache basically having too much storage. In order to fix that, go into privacy and security, clear browsing data, set the time range to all time, and you can literally clear all of this cache right here by simply clicking on clear data just like that. Once you've done that, restart Google Chrome again to see if it's now working. Now, once you've done that and it's still not working, what I would recommend doing is hopping into reset settings just like this. And then what you need to do is you can restore settings to their original defaults. Maybe you've been playing around with some settings which caused extensions not being able to sync. So if you just simply do this, your entire Google Chrome will be set to default. So I would recommend doing that if nothing is working. Now what you can also simply do is head over into privacy and security, then click on site settings, then scroll down till you find additional content settings right here, and then scroll down again. What you then need to do is enable or click on on-device site data and make sure that it's set to allow sites to save data on your device. And then you need to click on add right here, and what you simply need to do is add google.com, just like this. Click on add, and basically once you've done that, you will be able to use Google will basically save a lot of data over your device, so make sure that google.com is added, and basically once you've done that, you should be good to go. You can restart again, try logging out and in again to see if it's now working. Now if it's still not working, then the only thing I would simply recommend doing is restarting your device and then just trying to log out and log in a few times, and basically once you've done that, it may give it a refresh to see if it's now working. If it is, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, let me know down in the comments below which fix it for you, and that being said, I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.